hunting for biryani in Mombasa. Guys, they say this is one of the best biryani. It's Jummah. We've just finished our prayers and we are like, let's go to this place. It's supposed to be extremely busy, so it's about 2:30. We said, let's just see if we can go later. And oh my gosh, it is extremely busy. Guys, it's raining in Mombasa, but the roads are wet and slippery. Let me show you. Yo, this place is buzzing, guys. It's like crazy. The biryani, guys. That's where they make the biryani. Oh, look at that. Oh, mashallah.
Manga Boy hapa jamaa.
Ati hot Manga Boy.
Manga Boy pesa tano na ridani sana. Sasa pema ndio best hapa.
Oh, mashallah, look at that. Oh, alhamdulillah. Full 400, eh?
400 only.
Only 400, guys. Manga Boys. Shukran. Guys, this place is busy.
For 20 only.
For 20, take away. So,
Manga Boy.
what's the area called?
Kingorani steak. Kingorani.
Kingorani.
Yeah.
Guys, Kingorani is the place. Look at that biryani, man. Yo, Meisha. Yo. Finish. Guys, if you come late, no biryani for you. If you come late, all finished. Halas. This place is amazing, man. Super busy, man. Look at that. And now the time we've come, extremely busy, guys. If you come late, biryani finishes over here. If you come late, look at that, completely empty. I love the fact that they make it in a big over here. You gotta come on time, and today is Friday, so mashallah. You only do on Friday every day? Every day, guys, not only on Friday. Let's go inside and try it out. So this is where you come in, you wash your hands over here. And then these are the guys. This is the boss over here.
Manga Boy.
Manga Boys, mashallah.
Welcome.
Shukran. Thank you, bro.
Welcome, bro.
This is how it is, guys. This is our plug, Motu. How's it going, Motu? Tuko Manga Biryani leo. Shukran, bro. That's Muzungu. What's up, bro? Yo, guys, this place is buzzing like mad, man. It's crazy. People are just coming on a rotation. Come, go. It's such a vibe. Yo, that's the biryani, man. Mashallah. Look at that, man. It looks amazing, bro. You can see some potatoes. That's the mutton. Then there's chutney, salad. Oh, bro, it looks really good, man. Authentic, original biryani made from the big sufriya. And they say this is supposed to be one of the best biryanis in Mombasa. We're gonna find out in a few. Yo, and then that's the tamarind juice. Sour.
Milkshake moja pia.
That's the biryani, guys. Oh, looks amazing. Zungu, bismillah. How is it, bro? I'm gonna use my hands to do it.
You need hand, bro.
Yeah. How is it? Dig in, bro. The meat, man. Look at that meat. Supposed to be soft. Look at that. Absolutely soft. Bismillah. Wow. Oh, bro. Yo. Really good biryani, guys.
The Filipino is just good.
Wow. Yeah. Tangerine. Oh, not tangerine. What is it called? Tamarind. Tamarind, guys. Amazing. Bro, what it? Now I know why it's so busy over here. Huh? Now we know. Is it super hot?
The mochi is the best.
Huh?
Weather like it's cold.
Amazing.
Hungry.
Mombasa. Oh, they make it where?
Yeah.
It's behind there. This is how much?
700.
700. No, bro. Huh?
850.
What? Bro, this is so worth it, man. Huh? Guys, this is supposed to be the cheapest biryani in Mombasa. And the tastiest also.
And Karo biryani.
No, I think we do one more, man. So they only do biryani here?
Yeah, only biryani.
Only biryani.
And at night they barbecue.
So during the day it's only biryani? Okay.
Come on. Look at Dogo special. Dogo special. Only
Really good, man. Motu has a beard, man.
It's doing good, bro. I told you. You won't go wrong with it.
Amazing, man.
And the pili pili,
Slap.
it's salt. Really special, look at special.
Yo, it was so good that we ordered another one, man. Because one is never enough. I'll see Mzungu. Yeah, Mzungu doesn't want to talk to anyone. When he eats, he doesn't talk to anyone.
Table manners.
How's your Motu? Nice. Good stuff, bro.
Come and check here. Eco. 2.6. Designer.
Wow. Bro, this is good stuff, man. Fresh. Super tasty. The meat is soft. Even the chutney is amazing. Guys, amazing biryani over here. Thank you, brother. Really amazing. Shukran. Thank you. This is how it looks, bro. Alhamdulillah. Huh? Bro, amazing, yeah. Maza, yeah. Really good. Look at this guy holding his stomach like. Huh? I'm telling you, Mzungu was not even talking, guys. He was just.
Okay.
He was just Bismillah.
Amazing.
Alhamdulillah.
Alhamdulillah.
Really good stuff, guys. And it's called Manga Boy's Biryani. The guys are very cool as well, you know, they're amazing, like when you chat with them and everything, just vibes, man, amazing stuff, man. Keep watching, by the way, if you're enjoying the content, like, share, subscribe, share it with someone who you know loves biryani as much as we do. By the way, if you're enjoying the content, like, share, subscribe, and share it with someone who loves biryani as much as we do.